Very good morning, dear students, and it's good to have you back in the EVS class. Dear children, as you are all aware, we are continuing with our chapter Shelter. So, today, what we are going to do, apart from solving the worksheet, we have few new questions that have been added to the chapter. What you all have to do is quickly go ahead and write these questions in your copies. Okay, it just has to be that easy. So, what we are going to do, we will first quickly practice these question and answers here with Neha ma'am. Okay, and we will then move to our worksheet for the day. But before we do go ahead with question and answers, let's quickly do the hard words for the chapter. All right. The first one is heat. H E A T, heat. Cold. C O L D, cold. I hope you're repeating the words after Neha ma'am. The third word is rain. R A I N, rain. We have winds. W I N D S, winds. We have safe. S A F E, safe. Next set of words, thieves. T H I E V E S, thieves. Pakka. P U C C A, Pakka homes. Kacha. K U C H C H A, Kacha. Bricks. B R I C K S, bricks. Cement. C E M E N T, cement. The 11th word is steel, and I hope you're repeating it loudly at home. S T E L, steel. We have glass. G L A S, glass. 13th word is mud. M U D, mud. 14 is straw. STRAW. And 15 is villages. VILLAGES, villages. Okay. 16th word is towns. TOWNS, towns. 17th word is cities. CITIES, cities. And the 18th word is igloo. IGLOO, igloo. I hope you have understood the word. I have told you the specific meanings of these words in the earlier classes. All you have to do, write these in your copy and get it ready for our next interaction. Okay. Question number 1. What are Pakka houses? Answer is, Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, steel and glass, full stop. All of these words will be easy for you to write and frame it in a sentence when you know the hard words easily. And all these hard words have been included in the practice that we were doing. Okay. What are kacha houses? Kacha houses are made of mud and straw. Mostly we see them in villages. Okay. Question number three. What is a home? What is a home? The house in which we live is called a home, irrespective of whether we are living in an independent house or a bungalow or a flat. It is our home. Now, what you all have to do from here, your activities will begin. Draw animals and their homes, color and name them. Okay, so what you have to draw is probably draw a bird, okay, and a nest. So just write the name bird nest and baju mein draw a small bird and a nest, and you have to color it. Okay, next is cow shed. Where does the cow stay? You have to draw it with mummy's help. A shed. Bees hive. Okay, bees and hives again are on the trees or on different places you see. A spider and its web, a squirrel and the tree. So these animals live in these places. We all have to draw them and color them nicely. And this is your activity for the day. You will be completing it today. Come what may. Draw two things found in each room. So drawing room or living room, maybe you can draw a sofa or a TV. In bedroom, you can draw a bed, windows, paintings, correct? Bathroom, what do we find in bathroom? You can draw that. Kitchen, so you see a stove, cylinder, draw it, keep it all ready. This is your complete chapter of shelter. We shall be revising the chapter in the later class as well. So please be ready with all of this nicely. We now move to the worksheet for the day. This is worksheet number 6, chapter number 9, shelter. There is no place for name here. So along with standard one, you can just write E here so that at least your section comes. Today's date is 24/11/2020. Let's read the words first. Words are proper, comfortable, air, sunlight, neat and tidy. We should keep our house dash and dash. It is neat, 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 and tidy, TIDY, tidy. Okay, this is how we have to keep. A good house has plenty of windows for dash and dash to come. For air, AIR, air. I hope you're practicing cursive writing in the cursive writing copy and here as well. And sunlight to come. Okay. SUNLIGHT, sunlight. We enjoy in a good and dash house. We enjoy in a good and comfortable. If the roof is leaking on a rainy day, water is coming inside the house, will we like to live in a house like that? No. First of all, mummy and daddy only won't allow you. COMFORTABLE, comfortable. Kindly mind my voice, I'm having a sore throat. We should keep all things at their dash places. What is the answer? Proper proper places. Circle the things we use to keep our house clean. So this is a probably like a, it is a kind of a broom only, or no, sorry, it's a mop. So mop and a broom to keep the house clean, not the table or toothpaste. Yes, this is the disinfectant bottle. Also, we use sprays sometimes to give clean air. Okay, and even the electronic mopping machine as well. Okay? Tick the correct option. Harry is playing with the toys at home. After playing, he should keep toys in his school bag. B. Throw toys here and there in the room. Keep them at the right place. Leave them there only. So, of course, he has to keep them at the right place. Everywhere else, you can put a cross. Use the words in the box given below to fill the web. A good house has plenty of windows, enough sunlight, untidy room, strong walls, clean surrounding, leaking taps, proper drainage. So, plenty of windows is right, enough sunlight is right. There are one, two, three, four, five. I'm just ticking it and then you can write it later. Strong walls, clean surrounding, four we have done, and proper drainage. The washroom drainage or the kitchen drainage should not smell. A good house has all of these. Dear children, please complete this. Keep it ready for the interaction. I'll see you back in the next class. Bye bye.